I'm bald. What's up, everyone? We're here at Sager Conservation Area. Isn't that right, Junior Trippy? Yeah. You know how many steps you gotta climb up? Some bullshit stuff?
48.
48, yeah, but you know.
Yeah, I didn't count the 300 on the way up.
Yeah, 300. Whew! Let me tell you, that's some work, guys. Oh, maybe take that trail on the way back.
No!
Yeah, because that'll go around and out that way. Yeah, so if you guys are out near Sterling, come and check out the lookout. I'll put some pictures in. You got 20 seconds. Hey, Dakota Trippy.
Dakota.
Ah, the puppy. You can't see. Hey, it's shaded, but she's right there.